AGE stock, agex Therapeutics Inc. It closed the session of the 31st of December 2021, the last trading day of that year 2021, at $1.09, a gain of 85.09%. The price also rose above its 50-day moving average, okay, of $0.72 and above average volume. The average volume was 18 million, which is way above average. You can see it has a market cap of 41.4 million. Shares outstanding is 39.93 million. Okay, we have not found any fresh news as such. No fresh news as such. This one is all the way back to the 14th of December. It says here agex Therapeutics, University of California, Irvine, to collaborate on exosome-based therapies for brain disorders. So there must be some reason why the stock was in the move. So what we can see here on this daily chart is that with this gain it ran up now on the 31st of December. It now moved above all of its short and intermediate moving averages, but still below the declining 200-day moving average. So the stock is currently rallying now within a longer term bearish trend, and then driving is the MACD above the signal line. Yes, you can see there, because of that gain, it just drove the MACD above the signal line. Momentum is improving as well, strongly bullish on this daily chart. RSI is also very strong now, indicating an overbought condition for that indicator. You can see this is the daily chart. The momentum the accumulation distribution indicator has spiked seriously. This is the highest it has reached since the last 52 weeks. So accumulation is very strong on the stock right now, very strong. So obviously it has been on a downtrend for a very long time. As a matter of fact, the only time the bullish trend was still very much in effect was the underlying bullish trend was still very much in effect. Okay, let's put it all the way to sometime in July. That was when the underlying trend was still very much bullish, but the stock has been pretty much declining. Okay, at various points, at various times, it did try to extend and even closed above its 200-day moving average. This is all the way back in end of June of last year, 2021. So, but there must be something out there. Let's see what the short interest of this stock is indicating. Let's have an idea of what we are talking about here. Okay, it's not very much, short percent of 1.93. There must be some other reason why it began to extend. Float is 21.4. Okay, it's not a small one as such. So moving on, we can see what happened. This is what happened on this is a 10-day chart. So this extension, much of this, yes, this is what happened. Okay, this is from here upwards is what happened in this last trading session of the 31st of December 2021. So given all of that, we can see that the stock has also declined slightly in the post-market session, and yeah, given that it has run up this 85%, and even it was actually more, so you can see that yes, it was definitely more. You can see that this is a price rose above the 200-day moving average. Yes, you can see that of $1.16. Yes, so indeed at some point 1.16. Okay, above the price is 1.16. So at some point it rose above it. So that's this 85% is actually as a result of a retracement thereafter. So well. Given that it has run up this amount of gain, probably also expecting it to retrace as well. So it has various support levels. The next natural support level will be at 0.91, and then the next one will be at 0.8 or thereabout. The next one is 0.77. After that is 0.68, and then the bottom of it all, based on this 10-day chart, will be $0.53. So there's every chance it can pull back. So as a matter of fact, it's actually trading just slightly above its next support level, 0.9. Okay, So that's where it is right now. As things stand, you can see that 0.92. So it's just not even far away from the next support level. So given all that it has done in this last 10 trading sessions, especially in this last one, we think it has a range of between 1.18 and 1.28, but there's no guarantee it's going to extend. Those are the areas where we see some resistance, at 1.18 and 1.28. It may not get there. It may actually begin to tend towards its these support levels. We're already seeing that, and it's just 0.1, just 1 cent above its next support level here on this 10-day chart we are using. So see what you make of AGE stock. We have a target range of 1.18 and 1.28, but it can always retrace. It's already doing so. So thank you very much for watching this video.